according to the research in the American research, American research kind of family has made it possible that there's in every family in America using the 7 hours per day learning gadgets. This results in their irritation, in their sense of laziness. That make them they are lacking the outdoor activity. Because of that, they could not develop physical activity. Their mind is cut up. Their functional power is not there. There is the gifted ability in every person, but because of the availability of the gadgets, internet we became the dependency of the gadgets. That's why we are unable to pull ourselves. I can respect you prove it because none of the scientists who have the world famous themselves, they could not learn the gadgets. In fact, I have the proof in the report in 2014. You know the name of the CEO of Microsoft?
Satya Nadella.
The person, that's it's based on CEO of Google is there. That's Professor Pichai. But I'm speaking about the person is Steve Jobs, and as well as you can Bill Gates. They know the impact of it. In every element gadget, there is the circumstances and the rules and regulations how to use and how to make it use safe for the human life. And the person, the owner of the Microsoft, he established the school for his employee. And there, in the class of 5, nobody is allowed to use any gadgets. In fact, Steve Jobs is there, the person did not allow his family till the age of 11 to use any gadget because they know the ultraviolet rays is very harmful for the person. German scientists proved that every gadget using of 7 to 8 hours, it created some irritation. That is irritation in the sense aggressive mind is there. In fact, if the person is using some YouTube on the mobile phone while they are using reading or sometimes eating the foods, they are taking the radiation with the food. So that is the problem. The person have the word is sarcogenic. So you know very well the word is that has the potential to make a symptom of the cancer. This is the symptom in the Australia and German that the number of the every 4 person is having such kind of disease which has symptom of the cancer is there. In fact, I can prove there are a lot of the such negative side effect or ill effect of the such gadgets which make them harmful. For example, I can say anxiety and depression. Journal published 2008. Still, there is anxiety and depression. That means the person who is not allowed to use the gadget, they become irritation. They don't want to talk to the father and mother. They have suddenly the mobile phone. They are making the friends and foreign friends on the Facebook and Twitter, but they cannot talk with the parents. That means that they have depression of mind. In fact, 50% charge is there. The charge is so less. How to make the compound? My friend is waiting for me. That indicate they are depression of the mind. They cannot consider themselves. In fact, without the development of physical activity, they cannot develop their mind because Jim Piaget Sahab, my famous psychologist, could prove that God has gifted the such child all ability, but because of the lacking of such natural activity or the organ game, they cannot develop their bodies. In fact, we are using all these tabs, mobile phone, video games. All these things are making our happiness, but in fact, we are using of the eyes, hands, and sometimes the heart, but not only the all physical body. That's not only the body is there. In fact, I can find out the main gadget is our brain. How to use it. This is the important thing for us. It is our duty to make a polite thing. I've searched both aspects of this gadgets, whether it is useful or it is not for the expert of the life. 100% I can say the report given by the number of the World Organization is there. World Health Organization has reported down that every person who have using the mobile phone while driving the car or having important meeting, while they have any kind of unexpected call within one second or 1 minute, they have to face some challenges regarding the heart disease and cancer and heart attack. That's why within 5 years we are developing such disease like heart and cancer. The report, the prevention disease center is there in the America and indicated that the Search Institute clarified that the students up to age 11 and 13, every student who are using 7-8 hours per day, they have the different problem related to the symptom of the cancer and the heart disease. So it is possible to use all this gadget every time. In fact, one of the research has made by the Australian Jake Roberts is there. He told us that definitely these gadgets are very important, but need of these gadgets are not important for the development of mankind because we have the general ability. It It is upon us how to make it use. I can complete my words with the important point that yes, both are there, but it is upon us how to make it use. 3 to 4 hours necessarily is important, but we cannot live without the gadget because they are making our work easier. Sometimes banking, we can sit at home and purchasing over there, but because of such things, we have to depend on ourselves. What we can do physical exercise, what we can do as physical activities, that we have to go to mind as well as growth of body. That will be a prosperous in the future. That's all. Thank you.